Hi all, I thought I'd do a really easy quick video on how to get um, a distributed set of objects. Now this will work if you are trying to get a set of objects of all the same size and shape and you want to create, say, a large number of them all running basically parallel to each other. So this is the array modifier. So what I've done is I've got myself this cube that I've created, and I've just given it some dimensions, and what I need is I need 26 of them evenly spaced. So what we do is we head into add modifier, under generate we add an array. You can see it's made it very long at the moment. I don't want that. You can see on the relative offset here, I'm going to change that X to 0 so that it goes back to its size. Now, because I want these running along the y-axis, that's the one that I'm going to change. You can see as I pull this, it starts to kind of create a duplicate and spread it out. However, what I want is I actually want 26 of these. So that's where I click on that count. And what I want to do, if I just pull this across, is I want them to cover this balcony here. I think the balcony is, I think it's 3.6 meters long, roughly. It's probably, yeah, it's probably a little bit less than that. So let me pull these together. There we go. And I've got 3.1, it's probably still a bit too large. Pull it down again so that it fits in the balcony. And that is how simple it is to create an array. Now, I might need to do a bit of cutting later on, but considering that inside of this house isn't going to be seen, I'm not really too worried about that. But I probably will later on go into this, probably do a bit of booleans and cut this down to size. But that is a really simple way to get arrays on Blender to get a nice distributed set of objects that are all the same size and shape.